Guys, hope everybody's having a good day. I'm actually headed to Camanche Lake and hook up with fishing time. Spend a couple hours here, join him while he's fishing. So we have almost arrived, and this is the scenery. I do see some lake over there to the left, over that way. It's a beautiful day out today. The sun is out, and not too hot, not too cold. Actually, probably a good day to go fishing. So, let's see. I've actually never been to this lake. Let's see here. Here we are, Camanche Lake. I think what I'll do is just stop right here. That's the entrance, and I'll see what's gonna. I'll give Fishing Time a call, or see if he's online. See if he's made it here yet. Okay, more to come. See ya.